Hello, my good people. The Yoruba cultural heritage. You see, this is what we are saying. A dazzling display of Yoruba royalty, unity, and cultural power. In the heart of Ijebu, Ogun State, the 2025 edition of the legendary Ojudeoba festival into exploded into color, pride, and tradition, reaffirming its place as one of Africa's most powerful cultural celebrations. My brothers and sisters, with elegance and honor, the sons and daughters of Ijebu land turned out in full traditional regalia, not for spectacle, but to pay heartfelt homage to their heritage, their monarch, and their spiritual roots. Clad in richly woven agbadas, matching fillers, and coral beads that smeared in the sun, every detail of the day was a deliberate act of reverence. The appearance was a declaration of identity of royalty, of unity. It wasn't about camera lights or trending moments. It was about something deeper, a cultural rhythm passed from ancestors to descendants, alive in every drumbeat and dance step. Hmm. Before the revered Awujale of Ijebu land, His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona, GCON, the crowd stood with pride and grace. The Rigbe, the Regbe age, great groups thrilled with their majestic parades, each one adding to the spiritual and emotional weight of the day. The atmosphere was electric, yet scarred, and unspoken understanding among all present that this was more than a festival. It was a cultural heartbeat. There were no paparazzi chasing cloud, no addition, seeking antics, just antique, just authentic celebration. People come not to perform, but to connect. This year's edition was refreshingly real, perhaps the most genuine in recent memory. As one attendee put it, nobody came to trend. We came to vibe, and vibe we did with soul. For the Yoruba people, Ojudeoba is more than a yearly gathering. It is a living ritual, which with rich with history and a divine presence, as prayers were offered to their ancestral deities, Obatala, Oya, Oshun, Ishu, and Orunmila. The air buzzed with calls for favor, peace, innovation, and progress. The festival's Islamic roots were also honored, as many record how it began with a Muslim faithful thanking the king after Eid. This blend of faith and culture makes Ojudeoba not only inclusive but truly unique in its expression of Yoruba sophistication. You see, this is what we are saying. Now, after that, the Awujale will bless the people of Ijebu land and Yoruba as a whole. God bless the Awujale. God bless Ijebu land. God bless the Yoruba people. And God bless Nigeria. You see, this is what we are saying. My brothers and sisters. In a related issue, hear what is going on. in the same Ijebu land in Ogun State. You see, this is in Ogun State. They said traders in trader from the southeast in Ifo, Ogun State. This is Ifo, very close to Abeokuta, have closed their shops in protest following the fatal stabbing of an Igbo woman, Blessing Eze, by individuals allegedly extorting money under the guise of collecting festival levies. The incident occurred during the Eid Mubarak celebrations on June 6, 2025, when traders were reportedly ordered to pay 15,000 each. Eze, who could not afford the fee, pleaded for more time. According to witnesses, an argument ensued and one of the touts stabbed her in the chest, resulting in her death. You see, eyewitnesses said that Eze had told the collectors she hadn't made any sales and requested they returned later. When they began to destroy her goods, she confronted them, asking them to respect her property and promising to pay once she had the funds. The situation escalated quickly, leading to a tragic attack. In response, the Igbo traders in the area have declared a 4-day mourning period, during which they will never open their shops nor display their goods. The traders say this protest is not just for Eze, but against the broader issue of harassment and extortion they have long endured from market touts. Simon Uchenna, a representative of the Igbo Market Union, emphasized the long-standing intimidation traders face from these individuals who act with impunity. He cited previous incidents, including one where a trader's wife was stabbed by the son of the market leader, but justice was never served due to the suspect's connections. According to Punch, the union is demanding immediate intervention from the Ogun State government to ensure justice for Eze and to curb ongoing extension practices. They are also calling for stronger security measures to protect market vendors from similar violence in the future. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. You see, all this type of problem here and there, government should see to it and look onto what must be done. Do the investigation properly and let justice take its course. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on these issues. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. God bless Ijebu. God bless Ogun State. Thanks and God bless. Amen.